Why you should install the Facebook Pixel on your website now. In this presentation, you're going to find out why you need to install the Facebook Pixel on your website, even if you have no plans for advertising on Facebook anytime soon. Facebook Pixel is simply a snippet of code that you need to upload to your website's header. You must have admin access to your website so you can add the code yourself, if you know how to do it. Otherwise, get in touch with the right IT person and ask them to add the Pixel for you. Here are 4 benefits of installing the Facebook Pixel on your website. 1. You can track and retarget people who have visited your website. When you have the Pixel installed correctly, you can create a custom audience in your Facebook Ads Manager and target those who visited your website. You can track the people who take different actions on your website, such as those who've signed up to your mailing list but did not make any purchases on your site. Knowing these details will help you segregate your audience into cold, warm, and hot audiences, and thereby increase your chances of getting more sales and leads. 2. You can track and optimize your Facebook ad campaigns. The Facebook Pixel will report the actions that people take on your website as a result of your advertisement. You can use Pixel data to optimize your campaigns and track your return on investment. As a result, you can advertise more efficiently, thus ensuring the best investment for your money. 3. You don't have to pay anything. Installing the Facebook Pixel is free. You can install it on your website and get data about your site visitors. You don't have to buy ads, but if you want to maximize and make the most of what your Pixel data is telling you, it's best to invest a few dollars and promote your business with Facebook ads. 4. You can track standard or custom events. If you want to measure or track certain actions that will further optimize your Facebook ads, you can install the code for standard events. Here are the standard events that you can track with your Facebook Pixel. Search, view content, add to cart, add to wish list, initiate checkout, add payment info, purchase, lead, complete registration. For more control over the type of events you want to track and measure, you can also specify your own custom events.